Feel that rumble in your chest when the streets get dark. When the amps come alive and the bass hit hard. Got the low so heavy, make the concrete bend. Ever hit from the trunk, make the block lose wind. I ain't here for the fame, I'm here for the shade. For the glass vibrating and the walls that quake. When that 30 hertz drops, man, everything fades. Just you, the machine, and the music you made. Subs flex hard like the breathing fire. Voltage on strong like a live wire. Tune so low, it'll rearrange so. Lows cross slow like they hunt for ghosts. From the Tahoe walls to the trunks on lock. Every bill get loud when the meters pop. Anything in the world like a vibe we chase. Just a bass head life and a bass head space. Bass, deep like a heartbeat buried in the ground. Bass, shake the whole city when I roll through town. Bass, feel it in your bones when the woofers pound. Bass, ain't nothing like the thunder of that low end sound. Baseline creep when I roll real slow. Let the pressure build up till the door might blow. Neighbors peek out cause they feel that way. Rattling the frames like a backyard grave. I don't brag, I just flip that switch. Let the lows dig deep like they dig in the ditch. Every beat hit clean, every note hit true. When the bass come alive, it'll speak to you. Midnight hit and the lot fill up. Every ride tuned tight with the big bow guts. Walls on fire like a tremor inside. Trunk bills thump with that old school pride. Crowd step back when the roof starts flex. Meters jump high like the scores impress. And ain't nothing in life give a rush this strong. When the bass drop hard, you belong to the song.